Good morning, everyone. I am Marchenzi de los Reyes, and today we are gonna discuss what are the elements of short fiction. So, when you hear the word short fiction, what comes into your mind? Or do you have any idea what a short fiction is? So, first, let's discuss what is short story. Or a short story is a concise work of prose fiction. It typically ranges from 1,000 to 7,000 words. And now, we are gonna talk about or think what is a short story. Ayan, so short story, it focuses on a single incident, character, or period aiming to convey a element or narrative. Now, for the setting of a short story, the setting refers to the time, place, environment in which the story unfolds. It provides context and atmosphere mostly for the narrative. In a short story, characters are the people, animals, or beings that drive the narrative. They can perform actions or speak dialogue to move the story along. And they usually focus on one central character, protagonist, or the main character. And there are usually fewer characters compared to a novel book. And for the plot is defined as the main sequence of events that make up the story. It is usually centered around one experience or a significant movement. Now, after the plot, there is also a conflict. A conflict is defined as the tension and is usually the heart of the story. And it is related to the main character, or it is on the it helps to the development of the character. Now, in a short story, the theme is the underlying message or central idea that the author explores. It is often about human nature, society, or where the character lives in, the life he lived in. It is conveyed through the character's plot and setting. It is the main idea or a message that the story explores, going beyond the surface level events of the characters. So, do you have any idea, guys? So, with that, that concludes my report. Good.